fucking stop. Jesus. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome back to Test This Wild. If you're new here, my name is Colin, and yeah, again, we're not going to do the intro. This is another quick tip video. So I did discover a new feature today that's new to me, not new to Tesla, but this is the way to share an address directly to your Tesla navigation system from your phone, at least on an iOS device, an Apple iPhone XS Max in my case. So yeah, I'm going to this luncheon tonight and I was trying to share the address with a friend, and when you open up the sharing menu, I did see the Tesla app, so I just played around with it and it's pretty darn cool. So let's show you guys how to do this real quick. All right, so as you can see, we have the phone pulled up here. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna drop a pin at some random address here. Okay, so we have that. Then what we're gonna do is scroll down to the share menu. And within the share menu, you can go into this more and make sure that the Tesla app is enabled. So when it is enabled, you'll see the Tesla app in the sharing area here. So we're going to pick the phone up and show both the main screen here. Shout out to WeBack Tesla for the zooming out idea. That is a great idea. All right, so we're going to share this address directly to the Tesla app here. It's very quick, and you'll see that the navigation system will quickly populate with the directions. Super cool, super easy, but if you're looking at your phone and want to get an address from here to there without having to look it up on the Tesla navigation, this is an easy way to do so. All right, so there we have it. There is an easy way to share an address from your phone to your Tesla navigation. As long as you have that sharing feature enabled between the Tesla app and your Apple Maps app, you can share an address directly to your car, which is super cool. I'm not sure how this works if you have multiple cars. I think it just picks your first, or it might give you an option. I'm not really sure. It might send it to all of them. Not really sure. Like, let's say you're inside looking at an address, you come out to your car and you can immediately share it to your car, which is super cool and very convenient. So yeah, as I said, I didn't know this. I'm sure other people did. These videos are just for other people that don't know this like me. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, please make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you guys next video.